Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today what we are going to do is repair iPhone Google Pixel 7 screen replacement. So what we have is a broken screen here, and what I have done so far is I have put some heat on this one, the broken screen, and I'm using like a prying tool. I got a small opening here, so take your time and just try to get the small opening. Yeah, that's it. You should be more gentle. Yep, that's it. So that's the metal thing which came off, and that is a screen which is connected. So what I have to do is just remove the connector and done. So that's been disconnected. That's all we need to do. Now let's see. I'll just get the new screen here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to connect. Done. So now it's connected. As you can see, it took a bit of time, but finally I was able to do it, and that screen has gone there. And now let's see if we can just yeah, so I can see it's charging, so let's leave it there for a few minutes, and it should be turning on. Yeah, so as you can see now, uh, that's the Google sign. That means and now we just need to put some glue on and just put it back. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.